So we're working on getting around. Let's see how she comes here. She's a little bit mad because I'm not picking her up. Come on, baby. But you can see how she's getting around. Mainly, she's using her left arm here. And you can see with the newborn movement assessment that I did the other day how it correlates with the lack of rotation here in her shoulder and back and in her lips, or in her hips. And so what's powerful is this would be perfect acceptable to your pediatrician. But what I want is optimal development for my child, and movement lesson allows me to understand what's just not initiating in her body to help her have a successful crawl, to get up into that 4-point crawl. She is heavy in the spine here and in the head, so she will attempt to get up on all fours, but it's really difficult for her. There you can see her going. But movement lesson empowers me because for whatever reason, this is something she struggled with ever since she was born, but she's just not initiating rotation here in this shoulder, her back, and then over here on this hip. She is kind of using this hip as she's crawling. Usually she uses that one, but you can see how there's just no midline crossing as she is moving around. So yes, she is fussing and stuff like that. More, she just wants me to pick her up. But just wanted to show that as far as, I just want optimal development for my child, and movement lesson gives me the ability to understand what really makes the body work and why she's just not quite figuring it out. You could say, oh yeah, she's gonna figure it out eventually, but you want to know what? Like, I just want better development for my child. So hopefully that's insightful as you're seeing the baby move around. And if you have questions or comments, please comment below. And you can access the free movement assessment that I did a couple days with her, the newborn movement assessment. That link will be in the description. Thanks, guys.